Hello, everybody. This is Jolu. This is my second YouTube video. I'm hoping, I'm hoping it comes out good. I am definitely not a video expert. Okay. So anyway, this is my journal, media, art, collectible, whatever, designing. Um, I took a regular book with some sayings in it and I covered it up and covered a lot of the lines, and I added different artworks and stickers and fabrics and all kinds of stuff, as you can see. Okay. This was a necklace, and I attached it. I like it. And I might incorporate some of these vintage Hawaii cards. It was a gift. And also, in some spots, this is, those New Year's, take them, you could take them apart. $1 for the package, use it as washi tape, whatever. I love this. I do. This, I love this, this kind of look. Okay. So anyway, a dollar for a whole bag. Okay. $1, Family Dollar. You can go to the dollar store too, get things from the dollar store. So anyway, I also made a placeholder, like a kind of like a built-in bookmark, okay, from some cheap bead jewelry set that I got at Goodwill. A lot of stuff I got from Goodwill, thrift stores, etc., and so forth, like that kind of stuff. And I have my dice here, and sometimes when I'm thinking, I kind of just like stuff to roll in my hands, or one of those spinners. Can't find my spinner, so I'm using my dice. Okay. All right. So now, this is covered in a type of paper, but you probably wouldn't guess what kind of paper. Okay. I use Mod Podge, which is a glue. Mod Podge, I believe that's how you say it. And it dries clear. I put acrylic paint all over it. Lace I glued on the outside. And this is a greeting card. Greeting card that I cut up. And actually, these little 4 ones here are part from another greeting card. And I glued it, and it's like a 3D effect. See? And kind of gold paint, acrylic paint in it. I'm trying to bring it up to the camera to see if you could see the shininess of it. It's so hard because these cameras are just, like I said, I'm not a movie expert. I don't have movie camera. I just have like my phone. Oh, all right. Anyway, so tore the paper, glued it, but what did I use? Okay. Not tissue paper. Thrift store. I bought packages of sewing. When you go to sew, the fabrics and everything, the patterns. So, you have the patterns. Yep. A lot of people don't sew today, and they were from old times and cheap, 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 10, 15 cents a package, and stuffed with that. So you can, I just didn't want a flat book and boring book to work in. And I had to think of something, and I just came up with this idea. I kind of got an idea from the paper mache, sort of. I'm not even sure. So anyway, got some sparkle, but it's kind of like antiqued out on the side here. And on the back there too, the paper made it look vintagey. Okay. So we're going to go through the book real quick, and the sides here, lots of stuff. Lots of stuff. It's not too thick yet. First page here had a pocket. That was brand new in a package. I'm pretty sure I didn't spend more than $1 on it. Okay. I'm pretty sure. So, and then same thing with this foam. This is a foam. It's a foam, like bookmark, and I just put little dangles of beads. Okay. So I did that, and acrylic paint. This looks like washi tape, but it's not. It's from like card stock designs that I got at the thrift store, a box of it. Okay. And it wasn't all there. Someone donated it, and it was pretty good. Glued on this kind of flower and some belly dance chains. I love this. It's got the elephant and the underwater sea thing. It's so cool. All right. Make a wish, handmade. I put on there. That's a stamp. And some like fake jewels. They're definitely fake jewels. Okay, continuation of the fish. And stickers, jewel stickers that make it look like water. Did the background with the water. I acrylic paint. Continued on this page here with the fish. Vacation. Okay, ribbons, lace. And I have right there. Okay. Envelope. I scalloped it. Washi tape. Background cardstock already made, like a wallpaper. Made this flower. Drew this myself. Okay. I'm not a Van Gogh or some famous artist. I'm a casual artist. Anyway, love, live, laugh. And this is faux leather. I cut that. It was like a sample of something. I got these little mini tags that I put on here. Okay. Cat. Okay, baby cat. I love cats. Little birds. All right, that's from another greeting card. Same thing, bookmark, but I converted it, and I have this really shiny stuff. I like it, shiny. It does no justice on the cameras. Bead, cool bead. I think it was from a necklace. Yeah. This was from an old book, like you just write in. I love it. Piano. Put some acrylic paint over it. Hard. Okay. Lisa Frank sticker. All right. More glitter. More washi tape. More ribbon to turn this with. This was a card as well. Okay. Glued it. Look at that. Kind of like I like the paint on that. It's like a watercolor or acrylic. Cool colors. Love it. Okay. Flips up. Write what you want underneath there. Put stuff in the envelope. I don't know. I'm going to work on that more. This is a work in progress, like I said. Okay. This I went a little crazy. Princess and different colors and all shiny. But, I'm not a princess. It would be nice to be one, but I'm not. And this rope, gold. I put that up on this clip. Okay. Clipped in my private stuff. And some more ribbon. Cool. Whimsical. Love it. That card. Okay. Affirmations. You can put whatever you want. Okay. And this flowery. Julie flowery. And some more lace. I think I might color that. It's a work in progress, like I said. Another envelope, and I put like an old-fashioned vintage, like a sticker, but it's not a sticker. Okay? Added it to the envelope. Might put some writings on that. Behind it's a card, too. This is like, a pattern for people to do cross stitch. I got a bunch of those. I'm gonna find a way to incorporate that. I'm gonna do it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do it. Last page here. What I did. Sticker from, clearback sticker. Really cool. Vintagey. I made these little side pockets with greeting cards. And here's my little gold card. That gets me, that little gold card gets me. It gets me into the craft club. Anyway, some more washi tape, a little bit of foamy here, jewel from like an earring, and that's it. So this is what I created, and like I said, I might be adding some things in it. I love this book. I'm going to try to do some stuff on the top, but the lace, I got this from clothing, like old clothing, the bows, took them off for old clothing. Go and, go to thrift stores and wherever you can get cheap stuff, dollar stores and old clothing, jewelry, necklaces, earrings, whatever. Take it from anything, and it makes it cheaper. I used cheap acrylic paint from like a dollar store. Didn't even have expensive paint or anything like that. Okay, so I have other videos coming up. Please like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm new to this, and it's fun. I hope you like my stuff. Bye. Thank you.